Alright, here we go. In the last two videos of the course, I want to talk about should have, and shoulda. Let's go. So, if you remember from before about the disappearing T, about should not and shouldn't to shouldn't, the idea of should, it's about opinion or advice. Basic ideas. You should do it's a good idea or a good advice. You should go to the doctor. So this is not a big serious problem. You should go to the doctor. You should send the letter today. As in, it's a good idea. It's good advice. Now, the important thing here is that you should send is about now, right? So, any ideas? What's the magic word? If we want to talk about the past, be you should have sent. So after have, it's a past participle, but it's you should have sent the letter yesterday. So again, the past is the past. We cannot change it, but in this case, we can have an opinion about the past. What you should have done. You should have sent the letter yesterday. So it's all about the magic word, right? You should have. The number one mistake when students start to use this, they forget the word have and they say something like, I should go to the park, when what you really mean is, I should have gone to the park. Now, be careful because this is confusing to the other person. If you forget the magic word, the other person does not clearly understand, are you talking about the past or are you talking about now and the future? This is why it's the magic word, have. So you should do it now. And you should have done it yesterday. An opinion on the past. So I, you, we, they, he, she should and have and the past participle. After the have, you must go into that past participle of done, been, gone, etc. Okay? Been, done, wanted, or whatever. All right? So let's look at the contractions. If you remember from the previous videos, would have, woulda, could have, coulda. So should have told you will become should have told you. And then should have will become shoulda. So this is the name of the module. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. I shoulda told you. I should have told you. I should have told you. Oh man, I'm sorry. I should have told you. So let's go into our practice. Now remember, pause, listen, repeat, and train. So let's go nice and slowly, practicing that shoulda. All right? I should have given him the money. I should have given him the money to I should have given him the money. 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 They should have explained all this to him. They should have explained all this to him, and they shoulda explained all this to him. So they should have explained, they should have explained, to they shoulda explained, and they should have explained all this to him. To him, to him. They should have explained all this to him. He should have listened to them and their advice. He should have listened to them and their advice. And he shoulda listened to him. He shoulda listened to him and their advice. He shoulda listened to him. You really should have been more careful. You really should have been more careful. You really should have. You should have been more careful. And you really should have been. You should have been more careful. We should have brought something to eat. We should have brought something to eat. And we should have brought something to eat. So we should have brought something to eat. We should have brought something to eat. Alright, so this ends our penultimate video of the course of should have and shoulda. Join me in the next video when we're going to finish the course with should not have to shouldna. See you there.